Hey, welcome to another local food movement video. I just wanted to talk a little bit about, early spring preparation for the garden, trying to do all that planning, trying to set up those goals, trying to think about all the moving parts and factors and aspects that go into getting the garden ready for the growing season. And I don't know about you, but I definitely find it very overwhelming. I sometimes get lost in the sauce and I don't plan the right way, right? I don't research, I don't plan, just because I find it too overwhelming. But this year, I've kind of been chunking it. I've been taking small tasks in the garden, organizing tools, organizing equipment, kind of taking each corner of the garden at a time and organizing it, clearing it out, thinking about what I'm going to be doing with intention, with plans, with goals, and I actually feel a little bit more prepared going into the season. I think it's going to be a good year. I'm looking forward to all the things I'm going to be growing. I'm not trying to overdo it. I'm not trying to grow too much like I've done basically every growing season for the past dozen years. So I think I'm getting kind of a happy medium where I'm just going to concentrate on half a dozen, maybe 5 to 6 different crops, a lot of flowers, a lot of pollinator gardens, supporting those local and native bees, local and native pollinators. So I'm excited for that. But I don't think I'm going to be overdoing it with produce. So again, I'm feeling more prepared this year. And this is just due to better planning, better research, and not trying to do it all, right? I feel like each spring I get a little overwhelmed and a little overexcited with the warm weather, and plans and goals go out the window, and I try to grow too much. And this year, I don't think I'm doing it. So there's still a lot of work to be done in the garden. That's a little overwhelming, but I'm feeling up to the task, and I'm excited, and I hope you all are too in this local food movement community. It's going to be a fun growing year.